Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we are making Sooji ka halwa, which is also called semolina halwa. It is very easy recipe of Sooji halwa, which needs only 6 ingredients to make. First we will make syrup of 3 cups of water and 3/4 cup of sugar. To make halwa we also need 1 cup of semolina or Sooji, 4 tablespoons of Desi ghee, which is called clarified butter, 3 green cardamoms and 2 tablespoons almond flakes to garnish our halwa. So let's start making it. In a small pan add water, then add sugar and turn on the flame. Cover it and let it boil on high flame. After 7 minutes it will start boiling. We just need to boil it for 7 to 8 seconds. Then turn off the flame. Our syrup is ready. In another pan add Desi ghee. I will upload the recipe of Desi ghee soon on my YouTube channel, my food cart. Now add 3 cardamoms. Keep the flame medium high and cook green cardamoms for 30 seconds. Then add semolina or Sooji. Keep the flame medium low and cook it for 7 minutes. It will change its color a little bit after 5 minutes and start giving very tempting smell. Then after 2 more minutes, it will become light brown, which is perfect color to make halwa. After cooking for 7 minutes, now turn off the flame and add syrup in it. Keep the lid in front of you to protect yourself from burning, because it is very hot at this point. That's why we turn off the flame. Keep the lid on for 4 seconds to let it settle down. Then turn on the flame again. Now cook it on high flame. Halwa will start to thicken up very quickly. Keep the lid in front of you again, because it will start sputtering again. Halwa will be thick in 1 minute. Then turn off the flame. Thickening process of halwa will be continued after we will turn off the flame. So don't cook it for more than 1 minute. Otherwise it will lose its texture and become hard. Garnish it with almond flakes and enjoy warm and delicious Sooji halwa, inshallah.